Okay, so here's your help video for FRQ 2005 3C. Let's go ahead and read it and understand it. So it says a metal wire of length 8 centimeters. So I've got this metal wire that's 8 centimeters long. Is heated at one end. So I'm going to draw a little fire here. That's a fire. All right, the table above gives selected values of the temperature in degrees Celsius of the wire, X centimeters from the heated end. So you guys can imagine if you're applying fire to this end, it's really hot down here and then it gets colder and colder and colder. So the point is as you get further and further away from the heat source, it becomes cooler. So for instance, right at the source of the fire, the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. 1 centimeter away, it drops by 7 degrees, and so on. So that's where we're at there. So that's the concept. That's what we're looking at. Honestly, a whole lot of that doesn't matter for most of this question. There are two things that I want to give you to help you out with this video. So the first thing is how to do the calculation. The second thing is the units. This piece I'm going to show you just because I can. It's not that hard. But really that's kind of for a later topic. But I figured we could chat about it. All right, so first of all, here's what I want. Here's your helpful hint for one thing. So I have A and B and F prime here, right? Well, if I integrate this, what do I get? I get regular F, right? Oops, no A. I get regular F, right? If you have F prime, the integral of F prime is just F, right? And then from there, we have F of B minus F of A. So that's helpful hint number one. Okay, so that's going to help you actually calculate the result. But let's also talk about the units a little bit. That's an interesting point to address. So for this one, I mean, I'll just tell you the answer for, well, no, I won't. I want you guys to figure it out. So let's just say that I have, let me make up a new function. Let's say I have F prime here, right? So when we get to this a little bit later on, we'll talk about what are the units of this and what are the units of this and how they work together. But really for this problem, all you need to know is this. What are the units of the outcome? Because that's what your final answer is, right? So basically, what are these? You know, so on your guys' particular problem here, we can just look at it. You should be able to tell after you do the integral here what type of function you get, and then you can tell from this table up here what the units are. So I think I'll just leave it at that. And quite honestly, I think the second question is really just additional practice of the same exact concept. So let's go ahead and scroll down and look at the second question here. Yeah, it's identical. So that's pretty much it. So I'll leave you guys with that, and we'll call it a FRQ.